Hello ladies, I'm Ruchita and I welcome you to FOAM, Fashion on My Own. All natural homemade hair masks not only nourish the hair roots and scalp but are also very inexpensive and easy. All you need is a few simple kitchen ingredients. Let me tell you more about that. In case of an egg hair mask, take 1 egg. If you have longer hair, then take 2 eggs and 1 cup of milk. If you have shoulder length hair, then take half or 1/4 cup of milk, 1 squeeze of lemon and about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Now separate the egg white and the egg yolk. This is because if you have oily hair, then you use the egg white. And if you have dry hair, then you use the egg yolk. And in case if you have normal hair, then you use the entire egg. Now beat the egg, that part of the egg that you're using, in a clean bowl. Add olive oil, lemon and milk to this mixture and apply it on your hair. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash your hair off with lukewarm or cold water and then use an organic fruit shampoo. You can repeat this method once a month for beautiful hair. For a banana hair mask, take 1 or 2 overripe bananas, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend the bananas smoothly till there are no chunks available. Now add the coconut oil, olive oil and honey to this mixture. Let this mixture sit on your hair for about 5 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. Now take some time out to comb through your hair and then do a final rinse. Because bananas smell delicious, you don't need a shampoo. For a yogurt hair mask, you need half a cup of yogurt, depending on the length of your hair, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey. Now mix all these tea together in a bowl and apply this on your hair, from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then wash your hair off with warm water. You can also wash your hair again with the organic fruit shampoo to get rid of any lingering yogurt smell. In case of an avocado hair mask, you'll need 1 small ripe avocado, 1/4 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now blend the avocado till you get a smooth avocado puree and there are no lumps. Add the olive oil and milk to this. Apply this mixture on your hair and cover your hair with a shower cap for about 15 minutes and then wash off your hair with warm water. For a strawberry hair mask, you need 7 to 8 medium-sized strawberries, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Now blend this together to form a smooth puree. Now apply this evenly to your damp hair and then rinse it off with warm water. The longer you keep your hair masks on, the deeper the nutrients will sink into the scalp, nourishing and energizing the hair roots. The time you keep the hair mask on will also have an impact on how softer your hair will become. So ladies, now you know how to get beautiful hair naturally with these awesome hair masks. If you've liked this video, share it with your friends. And for more of me, subscribe to FOMO, Fashion on My Own. Bye!